Hey everyone, just been down to the post office a little bit earlier and just want to say thank you to Brendan. Brendan set me up with a new bearing casing and a couple of seals for the inner bit. So we got that. So we're going to get back onto doing the video. Might just go along and just paint the case, mask it all up and paint the casing and that. But yeah. So it as you can see from this one and that, this is what was missing and that, so we'll be able to get there and go along and paint that one up and reattach it. Now looking at that, I don't know if that's been painted or not. Almost looks like it has, so we're going to go along and do all the red area and that, seal it back in and put all these back in, which are down here and stuff, and yeah, so just another quick update. Thanks Brendan once again, and yeah, much appreciated. Alright, thanks everyone, stay tuned, please like, subscribe. Want to get to 1,000 subscribers if we can. That means I can do some live videos as I'm doing the work. Then I might have to get somebody to do some holding the phone just for the camera. Alright then, cheerio.